Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and prepare 2 9-inch round pans with parchment paper. In a large bowl, sift together 2 cups sugar, 1 3/4 cups flour, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1 to half a teaspoon baking powder, 1 to half a teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt. Add 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1/2 cup oil, and 2 teaspoons vanilla. Mix until smooth. Carefully stir in 1 cup boiling water. Bake 30 to 35 minutes. Moisture secret: don't overbake and let the cake cool completely before frosting.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.